label your numbers, and we'll show you what all this stuff means in a second. We're also going to say use a title. And the last two put arrows. And finally, make sure all points fit on the graph. Okay, so what I do not want to see, you don't have to draw this if you don't want to. Here's a beautiful graph. Look how nice that looks. Oh, this looks great, doesn't it? There's your X, there's your Y, there's your numbers. Okay, everything looks nice there, right? But this is what I do not want to see, right? This is what I don't want to see. Okay, I don't want to see this. This is more, would you say this is a common occurrence in grade 10 applied? Seeing a graph that looks like that?
Yeah.
Somewhat? It has that.
Yeah.
The problem is that all your points should be on your graph. So what I want is you to find, maybe instead of this is 6, maybe then count 2, 4, and 6 so that everything fits on the paper, you know what I mean? So, especially on a test too, right? On a test you have the opportunity to. Okay? So we're actually going to do it for 2 graphs today. Then I'll give you some time to work on the boards. Okay? If you hated graphing last year, I'm sorry. Okay? And blame a grade 9 teacher. That was me, I was a grade 9 teacher. Okay? Twice, actually. So, it was twice. All right. Okay, example 1. No, this is still on regular paper. Still on regular paper. All right. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Just so you know, I'm not legally allowed to listen to you guys bad mouth teachers, okay? So please don't do that. If you want to do it, don't do it. Don't do it. You know better than to say. But I can't, in here, you guys, I can't hear this. Okay. Example 1, we're going to say graph using a table of values. So again, you've done this last year, I'm going to do it with a table. The reason I'm going to do this with a table is that you need, again, every time you see a new different graph with the table is just the easiest way to always do it. Okay. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put a little X over here. So I do this. I'm going to put a little point on the right-hand side. I'm going to put a great big Y equals 2x minus 5 in the middle. Okay? So if I was doing this on my paper, there'd be a little tiny X right here, a little tiny point right here, and a great big giant chunk in the middle. Okay, that's the way my paper would look. Does that make sense? A little column on the right for point, a little column on the left for X, and then a great big chunk in the middle. It's really rough work. Okay, anyone remember how to do this from last year? No, that's perfect. This is called learning. This is wonderful. Okay, so what we're going to do is, it says to make a table, it didn't say, so we're just going to do -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so those are going to be the different X values on the graph. All right, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So the whole idea of this graphing an equation is, right? The whole idea of graphing an equation is everywhere you see an X right here, you're going to sub in a 3. So I'll do the first one, I'll let you guys take it through. Okay, so it's going to be Y equals 2 minus 5. Okay, so if you take a look, all I did there was everywhere I saw an X, I subbed in a -3. Okay, who did I stop at? I stopped at you, right? I think I stopped at you. All right. Johnny, I'd like to be brave. Okay, you can do it. What's 2 times negative 3, please? Negative 6, good. What's negative 6 minus 5? It's a hard one.
Negative 1.
Great. Okay. So what that means is, hold on please, okay? When I plug in a negative 3, I get out a negative 5. So 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. The negative 6 minus 5 is negative 11. For my point, this is what I'm actually graphing here. This is my point that I'm graphing, okay? So my x value is negative 3, my y value is negative 11. Remember, any coordinate point goes x comma y, right? So x comma y is how the points go. Is someone else looking familiar at least? The coordinate points are looking familiar, I hope? Okay, one person, that's good, thank you. All right. If you're in my class, you did a ton of this stuff, okay, so you should remember that. You hated it? Who said that? Ethan.
I hated it too.
First of all of you that are in my class, shame on all of you, okay? So you hate this stuff. Okay, here we go. So now I'd like you to, we'll do the second one as a group, and I'll let you guys finish off the table. Okay, Taylor, I'd like you to be brave, please. What are we subbing in for x the second time down? Okay, I'll help you. So if you look at the first one, all that's going to happen for all of these, yeah, right on. Okay, so just give me a second, guys. Okay, so all we're doing for this one, Taylor got it right here, eventually here. Okay, so all we did is here, the first one, negative 3 goes in. And Taylor said the second one, negative 2 goes in. All right. Sorry, why did I forget your name? Sorry, Vanessa, I forgot your name. So this one's negative 3, negative 2. Do you want to guess what goes in this one? In this one right here. Negative 1, great. Johnny, what do you think goes in this one? 0, right? All right. So again, we're just going through here. So it's just going to be negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to pause the video, and you guys are going to find out what the numbers are for me, okay? All right. If you need to use a calculator or your fingers, or if you need to show more work than me, Mrs. Moore, do you suggest that I show more work in the future for this? I always give you the tough questions. Sorry.
Some of them may need.
Okay, so where this one came from, if you're curious, this was just negative 6 minus 5.
So that's your equation, and that's negative.
Good. Just want to know.
Wait, I think I am.
Okay.
So where are things on the x?